Bitcoin demonstrates robust performance with a notable price surge to $66,270, an uplift of approximately 2.50%. This positive momentum places Bitcoin trading dynamics in a spotlight, crucial for those monitoring Bitcoin price predictions. As it surpasses the pivotal $64,853 mark, the digital currency may be poised for further gains, with key resistance levels emerging that could test the resilience of this uptrend. This scenario presents an interesting phase in Bitcoin market trajectory, making it a critical moment for investor and analysts alike. Currency stability amid global policy shifts and geopolitical development in the early hours of Asian trading, the euro and yen have held steady while the US dollar remains near recent highs, influenced by recent Federal Reserve statement and higher than expected inflation data. Attention is now turning to the Bank of Japan policy review as the yen hovers near a 34 years low against the dollar. Meanwhile, the easing of Middle East tensions has reduced the market volatility. During the International Monetary Fund meetings, discussion reinforced the dollar dominance affecting global currency dynamics. Notably, Bitcoin recently halving event could alter its supply and potentially impact its price trend. Focus on Bank of Japan potential interest rate decision to counter inflation. ECB and Bank of England expected rate cuts influencing currency markets. Bitcoin's halving event may affect cryptocurrency dynamics. Bitcoin miners thrive as a runes debut skyrocket transaction fees. Bitcoin miners are experiencing a significant windfall due to the introduction of Runes protocol, which has pushed transaction fees to unprecedented level, offsetting the decreased block rewards post-halving. On April 20, transaction fees soared to $127.97, contributing to the record mining revenue of $107.8 million. The Runes protocol enabling token creation directly on Bitcoin's blockchain and had led the production and exchange listing of hundreds of tokens. Despite these gains, the high fees and resulting network congestion raise concerns. Critics emphasize the necessity of scalable solutions like the Lightning Network. Grayscale points out the change revenue dynamics for the miners, highlighting Bitcoin's adaptability and enduring the value amidst market fluctuation. Record high transaction fees bolster Bitcoin mining revenue. Runes protocol sparks token creation frenzy, impacts network congestion. Critics stress importance of scaling solution amid fee surge. Bitcoin's future launch sees high demand on Brazil B3 exchange on its debut. Bitcoin futures trading on Brazil B3 exchange captured significant interest with 7,400 contracts exchanged. Orders peaking at 1,11,000. Marcos Skestemas, P3's listing products director, highlighted the importance of offering these futures to local investors as a hedge against Bitcoin price volatility. This initiative follows the approval of Brazil Security and Exchange Commission (CVM) and complements B3's existing suite of 14 cryptocurrency ETFs. Future contracts denominated in the Brazilian reais represents 0.1 Bitcoin and settles financially using the Nasdaq Bitcoin Reference Policy Index. This exchange not only diversifies B3's offerings but also invites more investors into cryptocurrency market, potentially boosting Bitcoin's broader adoption. Bitcoin future debut in Brazil B3 exchange with robust trading activity. Future serves as a hedge for investors against Bitcoin volatility. Initiative could boost Bitcoin's adoption and market diversification, and Bitcoin price predictions is experiencing significant upwards momentum today, priced at $66,270, marking a nearly 2.50 increase. The cryptocurrency has breached the critical point of $64,853, suggesting suggesting potential for continuing bullish trends. Immediate resistance levels are observed at the $66,910, followed by $69,232 and $71,425, which could pose challenges to further gains. Support levels stand firm at $63,045, with additional safeguards at $61,385 and $59,686, potentially buffering any downward movements. Bitcoin price predictions. Technical indicator reinforce this positive outlook. Relative strength index RSI at 62 suggests bullish momentum, while the 50-day exponential moving average EMA at $64,788 provides underlying support. Current market behavior indicates a strong buying trend if Bitcoin maintains levels above $64,850, though falling below this threshold could trigger a sharp sell-off.